These were the last moments of the Aquino family before former President PNoy Aquino's remains were cremated. Kris shared clips of the video in her social media accounts 2 days after her Kuya Noy was laid to rest. The video was accompanied by Moira de la Torres Paubaya, which Kris and the singer rewrote for PNoy.
Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Moira because she rewrote the lyrics so that it could be dedicated to Noy.
Seen in the private viewing were PNoy's tropa, Ate Yoli, his longtime yaya, and Kuya Nori, the Aquino family's longtime driver. Kris said she would have wanted to share more. But she will have to wait and pray for a sign from her brother.
Ay masaya na sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipilit pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag ka nang paluhain at talagaan ka niya.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.